Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we are going to be doing another unboxing. Yes, now before we get into it any further, I want to tell you a little bit about this one. I started doing a games night with a community group, or for a community group in Wigan, and this one I thought would be an absolute blinder to get, just for them to play there. It's not one I don't think I'd play, but you never know. I maybe talked into it every now and again, but it's not one that I would play. It's one that I've got really for those particular sessions every now and again, and it is Grab the Mic. Karaoke party game for people who can't sing. Oh, it must be for me then. So, let's have a look inside, shall we? Slit the thing. Oh yes, I've got some new nails done. So what do we have? Let's have a look. So, box. Empty, that's all there is inside the box. So we have the scoreboard. Now this is two-sided. Okay, and put it diagonally across so we can see it. So player pieces start there, and then obviously go up whenever you get something right. The other side, a little bit different. You get to this one, and the songs that you have to sing are only by solo artists, and then get up to here and it's by bands only, and then for this one you've got to give it the beans and go full volume, really let it go, and then you can move on to the winner. We have a rule book, as if we really need one, but yeah, I'm saying rule book, rule pamphlet. We have player pieces. These seem quite flimsy. It's just on a very thin card. Yeah, you know, it's definitely something that I would replace with other things. This one is one that, yeah, if you're wrong, if you sing and you've made a mistake and it's not the word, or you can't find the word or whatever, then you're on mute. You can't sing or talk until the next round. And then we have microphone. This is a completely different variant than what I've seen online, because the ones I've seen online are a lot bigger. So perhaps I've got a much cheaper version, but it will do. And then we have a shed load of cards. Now I'm going to just wrap things on these cards. Obviously going to get replaced at some point. In fact, not replaced, removed and done away with. There we go, we'll get rid of that one as well. We don't need these little wrappers on it. We're just going to have some fun. So what I would do, they're on different scores. So for this one, you have to find the word to in a song and sing it, heard in a song and sing it, new in a song, you know, and these are supposed, and they're each 1 point. These ones 2 points, so you can get 1 or 2 points with these particular cards, this particular side, and I think it's the same on here. Yeah, there's nothing, doesn't look anything more than 2. So we've got sunshine here, we've got without the, but, music, you know, that's basically it. So the thing is, you set your board out, you get your playing pieces on the start position, you put the microphone in handy reach, and then somebody flips a card. So if it's on that side, you'll flip the card, and then you find a song with the word brown in it. And then whoever grabs the mic first starts singing a song, and they've got to use the word brown. The word brown has to be in the bit of this song. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'm looking forward to a fun night next Thursday. And this video, incidentally, is going up after the event, because I don't want them to know what I've got. Yeah, because knowing one of these lot, they know full well that I do this channel, and they know I've got a new game. So if they're keeping their eye out and they see what I've got, yeah, that's not going to be the big surprise that I'm hoping. So yeah, I am definitely going to be putting this up on Thursday at the earliest. Probably will be Thursday. I've got a few to put up at the moment. I did a couple the other day and I've not had a chance to edit yet. So yes, we have grabbed the mic, a karaoke part again for people who can't sing. This is going to be fun. It does say there it's a foam mic. It's not foam, it's hard plastic. But never mind. We've got it, so we can have some fun. So that, don't mind putting it away. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, one thing I didn't say, it's for 2 to 10 players, aged 8+. So that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.